The battery has stayed basically similar throughout the years, despite major developments in smartphone technology. The forthcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to feature a number of enhancements. It seems that battery life capacity will not be one among them, but Samsung intends to remedy this problem by adding I into its Galaxy S25 series, which will increase its overall size. Sawyer Glock wrote a post Samsung had planned to increase the battery size and charging speeds on the S25 Ultra, but the company has now decided to backtrack on these plans in order to keep the price low. As a result, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have the same 5000 mAh battery and 45W charging speed as its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. Nonetheless, there is still hope for enhanced battery performance. Another tipster, Panda Flash Pro, stated that Samsung is working on a battery AI function that may possibly increase the phone's battery life by 5 to 10%. This AI technology will automatically shut off superfluous processes to save battery life. However, it is unclear how battery AI would operate with Samsung's current improvements. We can only hope that it will not unduly kill vital programs. If everything goes well, the battery AI function might be implemented in the Galaxy S25 series and ultimately find its way to the S24 series and Fold series as well. In a follow-up tweet, Cook said that the stacked battery technology, which was originally planned for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, would now be saved for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This denser battery variant provides greater power without increasing size, but it needs a cooling system to avoid overheating. It seems that it was planned, but Samsung changed its mind in order to save costs and include the stacked battery and 65W charging speed in the S26 Ultra. In addition, although the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery life capacity may not increase much, Samsung is actively investigating the integration of AI technology to maximize battery performance. With the possible introduction of battery AI, customers may expect a better and more efficient battery management system in future Samsung smartphones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.